Hello, my name is Gabriel Mosquito. This is my Grizzly Morse Code app. As you can see here, I have a custom launcher icon. We click on that. It also displays right here on this side. When you open the app, you're presented with the title Grizzly Morse Code, and on the landing page it says text to transmit, and you're presented with an edit text box and also a transmit button. Up on the top right, if you click this, you can click the about, and you are taken to the about page with my name and a picture. I chose a picture that shows the Morse code translations and also my description. We go back here and use the text box. The user is allowed to type in a message and it's transmitted to code. I'll let you hear that. Okay, so as you can see, when I hit transmit, each letter has a corresponding beep and a white screen flash. These also could be stacked in the queue, so if I click it 3 times, you'll hear them stacked 3 times in a row. 1, 2, 3. Also, I have it so that it works with special characters as well. And that is my Morse code app. Thank you.